Hello and welcome to free.net tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video, we will see what is inheritance in our OOPS concept. Like I already explained you these two topics. I didn't show you an example of data abstraction. It just gives complete information about the class. Let's talk about inheritance. It's divided into 5 parts: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Like in single inheritance, we will have two classes. One is base class and one child class. And you just read these statements, you will get an idea like what is multi-level, hierarchical, multiple, hybrid. Let me explain you what is base class and what is child class for. Let's take an example of father and son. If father have some property like some money, the son will have rights to spend that money and rights on that property, right? That is what happening here. The base class is like a father, the child class is a son. The main definition of inheritance is it just form a new class from an existing class. Okay, that is called, the new class is a child class, the existing class is a base class. The child class acquires some data from our base class. In our example, father and son, the son takes the property of his father. That is what is happening. So let's see an example of this. So let's open a new project here. Okay, I have opened a new project. Press OK, and I need a button control. Let's go to our button control and create a class here, like a class father. Father is having some like a myth, like some protected int. Let's take a salary of our father, and I just keep it in a method like public void fort sal. Okay, this is a method. So I'm giving the father salary in our method, so it should be 5,000. Let's create a child class here, class child. What it acquires the base class. Our base class is a father. So I'm just using this father here, that this acts as a base class, this is a child class. Okay, let's create a int child sal equal to no, let's create a total sal, and I just create a method here. Let's copy and paste here, and it's total sal ts equal to sal plus sorry, okay, sal plus child sal. Okay, so I created it. We got some total sal. I will explain you with a clear idea. So show, and I'm just showing a text box to string, and here comes the main event here. What I'm doing is I'm using this child class here and creating an object here like child and xyz, or like E1 new child, and acquiring the salary to the child class. See, I'm calling this function first, like E1 dot for the salary, fat sal. So when I call this function, the salary, we can get salary. And now what I'll do is I just display that salary here. I just call this, so it displays, it adds to this and it displays in the message box. Let's see how it works now. Let's go and run our program. When you click on here, you see 5000. Let's go and see what is our input here. We didn't give this things here, like child sal equal to 3000. Okay, let's build it. So no errors, so successfully. And when I click here, you see 8000 salary. That is what happening. The child is getting benefit of his father's salary also, and his total income is 8000. Okay, that's what happening here. It's a child class and base class, it's acquiring from that thing here. So let's see what is multiple inheritance in this same example. Like let's create a class, like what we'll do, some xyz space a child. This is same thing here. Let's copy this and paste here. And what I'll do is xyz salary and total salary 1, total salary 1 and 1, xyz salary. Okay, let's build it here. You see any errors here? Okay, we got errors. So let's 1 and xyz salary. Okay, what I'll do is I just use xyz class. Let's E1 dot, you see three methods. I mean, you can access three methods here. Like you can take father salary and tsal salary and tsal. What is the basic thing here is, let's go and call our father salary first. I'll explain you with this example. So tsal and E1 dot tsal 1. So I can add here child class 2. So let's build it. I'm sorry, you should not use this. So we just here we got what is the definition of our multi-level inheritance: multiple child classes, one base classes. What we are doing is we are acquiring this salary in this and in this, but here you see what is happening. I'm using base class as a child. The previous child, we are using a base class in our current class. So when I click, when I run this program, you see our 8000 here. Got it? You got first 8000 here. Let's close this. So you see this. Let's change this thing and then run the program. Okay, 7000. That is what happening when you got a father or grandfather salary. The son can spend, right? That is what happening. There will be so many sons, but only one father. Got it? And that's all for this video for inheritance. We'll see the polymorphism and further videos in other videos. So see you. Bye bye.